Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add filters in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into a project that we want to edit. Then we tap on the edit button in the bottom row. Then we slide it to the right, and then tap on filters. Here we have some recommendations, some pro filters, yeah, a lot of these, and we can just select one that we want to use. This here we can adjust the intensity of the filter like so. Yeah, and then after we are done we can just tap on OK and it's going to save it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.